Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. How can you invoke an integration policy on Fortinet IEM rules? Option A. Through notification policy settings. Option B. Through incident notification settings. Option C. Through remediation scripts. Option D. Through external authentication settings. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, through notification policy settings. Question 2. How do customers connect to a shared multi-tenant instance on Fortinet? Option A. The MSSP must provide secure network connectivity between the Fortinet or manager node and the customer devices. Option B. The MSSP must install a secure message exchange node to connect to the customer's shared multi-tenant instance. Option C. The customer must install a tenant node to connect to the MSSP shared multi-tenant instance. Option D. The MSSP must install an agent node on the customer's network to connect to the customer's shared multi-tenant instance. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The MSSP must provide secure network connectivity between the Fortinet or manager node and the customer devices. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.